Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo IQ Z10 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the gesture set, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on this button with 3 bars icon, and here we've got the recents. To close all of them, simply tap on this X button right here. Now we can open the recents, and here we've got no recent apps, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. Sometimes your device will keep one of those apps opened, but no worries. All you have to do is to, after entering, simply swipe it up like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.